Unlocking the mystery, the whisper of nightfall. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of English phrases, focusing on the poetic expression, whisper of nightfall. This phrase evokes beautiful imagery and emotions, making it a fantastic subject for our exploration. Whether you're learning English or simply love the beauty of language, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Whisper of nightfall is a metaphorical phrase that beautifully combines two words, whisper and nightfall, to create a vivid picture. A whisper is a soft, very quiet sound, often used to convey speaking in a very low voice, typically to keep something secret or to not disturb others. Nightfall, on the other hand, refers to the time of day when the sun sets, marking the beginning of the evening or night. When we merge these two concepts, the phrase, whisper of nightfall, suggests a very subtle, almost imperceptible transition to evening. It's like nature's gentle signal that the day is ending, and the quiet of night is about to begin. This can evoke feelings of calmness, mystery, or introspection. Imagery is a powerful tool in language that allows us to create vivid pictures in the minds of our audience. By using the phrase, whisper of nightfall, the speaker can transport listeners or readers to a serene evening setting without explicitly describing it. This technique is often used in poetry, literature, and everyday conversation to enhance emotional depth and connect with the audience on a more personal level. Imagery helps in making language more engaging and memorable, especially for English language learners. It can also assist learners in expanding their vocabulary and understanding the nuanced ways in which English speakers convey feelings and scenes. Incorporating whisper of nightfall into your language can add a layer of sophistication and poetic beauty. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. In creative writing, as the whisper of nightfall settled over the city, the bustling streets slowly gave way to silent, shadowy corners. In speech, there's something magical about the whisper of nightfall. It's when my creative thoughts come to life. In everyday conversation, I love the peace that the whisper of nightfall brings. It's the perfect time to unwind. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the beautiful phrase, whisper of nightfall, with us. It's a testament to the power of language to evoke imagery and emotion, enriching both our communication and our imagination. As you continue your journey with English, remember to embrace the poetic side of the language. It's not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the beauty and emotion that words can convey. Keep experimenting with phrases like this to make your English more colorful and expressive. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.